BERNINA 990. This video shows the functionality of the Stitch Designer.
The last activated stitch is opened when you select the Stitch Designer. The darker shaded area represents the 9mm stitch width. The center is also marked with a white line. On the left side of the screen, we have our tools. With the Draw tool, you can draw a new stitch pattern directly on the screen. Move enables you to shift the selected point. Select single or multiple points, or the entire stitch pattern with selection options. With the View Toolbar, it is possible to look at the stitch horizontally and to turn off the 9mm stitch limitation to enable wider stitches. Use the zoom function to see the stitch close up. It is also possible to use a two-finger gesture to zoom or move with a single finger drag. On the far right side of the screen is a zoomed out view of your stitch pattern repeated, so you can make sure that it sews out neatly. Before changes can be made to the design, first define which points are to be changed. Select the desired point and drag it to the new position. You can also use the multi-function knobs and even a mouse connected with a USB to have more functionality in the Stitch Designer. Check that the design is how you want it and select Sew Virtually to see exactly how the stitch pattern will be sewn. When the design is completed, it is confirmed and can be sewn. Don't forget to save it if you want to use it again. Foot number 40 must be used for stitches that are wider than 9mm, and it might be necessary to adjust the thread tension. To create a new design, select New to clear the screen and use the Draw tool. A tip for writing names. Go to View and turn off the 9mm function, and turn the direction of the stitch to horizontal. Try to start and finish the stitch on the same baseline so the stitch will repeat nicely. You can use the stylus or simply write directly on the screen. See how well the stitch will repeat in the preview on the right. If a decorative stitch is to be added, its position must first be determined. Then select the desired stitch. The large design area of the B990 makes using the Stitch Designer so much fun.
BERNINA, made to create.